Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve Standard 8, Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expression of Practice Set 6.3. In this we are going to use this formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So I am writing formula we are going to use to solve practice set 6.3, that is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. I am writing the first question, that is y cube minus 27. Now we have to write this in this form, so I am writing y cube minus 27 is here 27. We will going to find the LCM of 27 to get the answer in cube form. Now here three nines are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So 3 cube is the answer here. Now we will write this answer in this form. So I am writing y minus 3 y square plus ab. ab means a into b. So 3 into y is 3y plus again b square means 3 square. 3 square is 9. We got the answer for question number 1. Now we will move to second one, that is x cube minus 64 y cube. Okay, I am writing in this form. So I am writing here x cube minus again 64 LCM we will take out. 2 3s are 2s are 2 1s are 6 are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So here you can see 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4 cube 4y cube is the solution for this one. Now I am moving to this formula, that is x minus 4y then x square plus ab. ab means x multiply by 4y. Okay, now I am writing 4xy plus, now again 4 square. What is 4 square here? 4y. 4y, 4 square means 4 4s are 16y square. This is the answer for question number 2. Now we are moving towards, I have written question number 3, 27m cube minus 216n cube. I have already seen that there is no cube of 216, so I am taking 27 as a common factor. M cube minus 8n cube. Why 8? Because you know that 27 8s are 216. Okay, 216. Now 27m cube of 8 is 2n cube. Okay, now I am writing, so we are going to use the formula, that is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This we are going to use here. 27 m cube minus 2 n cube is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, so this is this. Now we are going to include this, so I am writing 27 m minus 2n, then what is a that is m square, then plus 2m n. Okay, why? Because a into b will give you 2mn plus what is b here, 2n square, 2 to the 4, 4n square. We got the answer for question number 3. Now we are going to move question number 4, that is 125 y cube minus 1. Here, as you know, 125 cube is what? 5y cube minus 1 cube. So this is nothing, a square minus a cube minus b cube. Now we have to solve in this form. So I am writing here 5y minus 1. Okay, in the place of 5y a square, 5y square is what? 5y is 25 y square plus again ab is what? A into b means 5y into 1, it will be 5y plus b square is what? 1 square is means 1. We got the answer for question number 5. Now we are moving towards question number 4 we have solved, and we are going to move towards question number 5. 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. Okay, I am writing in a square and minus b square form. I am writing here. So I am writing, this is 8 cube means 8 cube minus b cube form we are going to write here. So 2p cube minus cube of 27 is 3 and p. So we write in this form. Now we have to write in formula, that is 2p minus 3 upon p. Again a square is what? 2p means 4p square plus again what is next, that is 3 upon p into 2p. Okay, so here one change will come, as you can see. So I am writing 2 into 3 upon p. I am writing plus is what? P will come here, 3p into 3 upon p plus b square. B square is nothing but 3 upon p. Square means 3 3s are 9, 9 upon p square. Here the 2p is going to be cancelled. When I am writing here, now here you can see 2p minus 3 upon p, 4p square plus 2 3s are 6 plus 9 upon p square. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6, that is 343 a cube minus 512 b cube. Now we are going to find out the LCM of 343. Okay, 7 4s are 9s are, then again 7 7s are, 7 1s are. So we got the cube of 343, that is 7a cube minus, then we have to find 512, that is 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 6 are 12, again 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 6 are, then 4s are, then again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 6 are, again 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. And here you can see now here you can see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got 8b cube, 8 cube of 512. Now we got this as a cube minus b cube. Now we have to solve a minus b, a plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. I am writing in that form 7a minus 8b. Okay, this I am writing. Now a square is what? 7 square means 7 7s are 49 a square plus, now a into b means 7 8s are 56 ab plus, again b square means 8 square, 8 8s are 64 b square. Okay, we got the answer for question number 6. Now we are going to move on 7. Now 7th one is 64x cube minus 729y cube. Again 64x cube is 4x cube, okay, and 729 we have to find out. So I am writing here LCM 729 cube we have to find out. By mistake I said 722, I think. Yes. So 729 cube root I am going to find out. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 1s are 3, 9s are 9, 9 1s are. Okay. Now here you can see, sorry, 9 9s are 81, then again 9 1s are 9. You can see here 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 9. We got 9y cube here. Now we got what? We got a cube minus b cube. Now we have to include this formula. So I am writing 4x minus 9y, then a square is what? 4 square, 4 4s are 16, so 4 4s are 16, x square plus 4 9s are 36 xy plus b square is what? 9 9s are 81 y square. We got the answer for question number 7. Now we are moving towards 8. What is 8? Is 16a cube minus 120. Writing here, that is 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2s are, 2 1s are 2 6s are, 2 8s are 2 4s are, 2 2s are 2 1s are. We got 1 2 3. Okay, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then again 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then this remain 2. There is no cube root of 128, so what we will do, we will take 16 as a common factor inside a cube minus 16, 8s are 128. So we are taking 8 here upon b cube. Okay. Now here, as you know, a cube of 8 is 2 upon b cube. We got a cube minus b cube. Now we have to solve the sum. 16a minus 2 upon b. Now a is what? A cube, so it will come a square plus a into b. So here 2a upon b plus, what is b? b is 2 upon b cube. So here what will come? 2 2s are 4, 4 upon b square. This is the answer for question number 8.